Hello friends, welcome back to FunMath Express once again, and today we are going to learn an easy technique to find out the square root of numbers. Now we will start with the smaller numbers, and later once you are really adept at this technique, this can be extended to higher digits also. Okay, before we move on, we need to learn a few preliminaries. Let's have a look at it. We know this fact: the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. But did you notice this pattern? If we look at the ending digit of the squares, there are two squares which end in digit 1. There is 1 square, which is 1 itself, and 9 square ending in the digit 1. Similarly, there are two numbers, the squares of which end in the digit 4. They are 2 and 8. 2 square is 2 and 8 square is 64. There are two numbers similarly, the squares of which end in 6. Those are 4 and 6. Something is missing here. There are two numbers, the squares of which end in 9. Those are 3 and 7. And the square of 5 end in the digit 5. The square of 10 end in the digit 0. So have this in mind. Now we move on to the examples. Suppose we want to find out the square root of 4489. First of all, we need to divide this into two sections, 89 and 44. First of all, we try to find out what is the square which comes immediately before 44. Is it 7 square? No, 7 square is a 49. So it is 6 square, that is 36. So we write the number 6 here. So 6 is the first digit of our result. Now we have the number 89 ending with 9. We know there are two different squares which end in the digit 9. Those are 3 square is ending in 9 and the 7 square is ending in 9. So our answer is either 63 or 67. Now how to choose? You take this first digit, multiply with the number we get by adding 1 to it. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 into 7 is 42 we have. So now we compare this 42 here and the two digits here. Here we have 44. Which is bigger? 44 is bigger. Then we choose the biggest of these two digits, that is 67. So our answer is 67. To understand it better, let us do another example. Let us try to find out the square root of 3481. So we divide it here. So we have 34. So the square immediately prior to 34 is 5 square, which is 25. So 5 is our first digit. Then we have 81 as the ending. So how many squares are there ending in the digit 1? It can be 1 itself or 9. So we have two choices, 1 and 9. So now we multiply 5 into 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. We compare these two numbers and this is bigger, so we choose the bigger digit. So it is 59. Now let us do another example, 529. Let us try to find out the square root of 529. So we divide it here, okay to consider. Let us add 1 0 here. So let me write it a little properly. Okay, 0 here. So we have 29 and 5 on the left side. The square immediately prior to 5 is 2 square. So we write 2 here, and we have 29. There are 2 digits, the squares of which end in the digit 9. Those are 3 and 7. So we have 2 choices, either 3 or 7. So we multiply 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 6. So we compare these digits, but there is a difference. This digit is higher, so we choose the lower one here. So what is our answer? Our answer is 23. Let's do another one. 3249 is divided here. 32, the square immediately prior to it is 5 square, which is 25. So 5 is our first digit, ending in 9, so it is either 53 or 57. So we multiply 5 into 6, which is 30. This is bigger, so we choose the highest one. So answer is 57. Now let us move on to another 3 examples. So we have 5776 divided here 57, which is the square immediately prior to it, that is 7 square, that is 49. So 7 is our first digit, and ending in 6 we have 2 choices. 4 into 4 is 16, so it is ending in 6, and 6 into 6 is 30, so 6, so it is also ending in 6. So we have 4 and 6 as the choices. So we multiply 7 into 8, which is equal to 56. So this is higher, so we choose the highest digit here. So our answer is 76. Let's look at this one. I'm sure you will be able to do by now. Anyway, we have a 79 on the left side. So the square immediately prior to 79 is 8 square. So we write 8 here. 8 is our first digit. So when we take 8 as the first digit, we have the ending digit 1 here, so which is the next digit. There are 2 possibilities, 1 and 9. So we multiply 8 into 8 plus 1, that is 9. 8 into 9, that is 72, and here this is higher, so we choose the highest one. So 89 is our answer. Let us try 3136. So we divide it into 2. So we have 31 here. So prior to 31 the square is 5 square, and ending in 6. So 2 possibilities, either 4 or 6. So now to choose between those two, we multiply 5 into 6. We have 30 there. So we compare 30 and 31. This is higher, so we choose the higher digit here. So we have the answer 56. So that is a very easy technique for finding out the square roots. So do try this technique. Repeat it several times until you become an expert in it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the like button. Thank you.